Morning, students. Yesterday we started the chapter permutation combination. We saw fundamental principle of counting. I think you might have got the concept. We want to see some example from the book, and then you will definitely get better. Example number one. What it says: find the number of four-letter words with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letter of the word rose where the repetition is not allowed. Okay. So I would say that given word is rose, and we have to find of four-letter words. It's a solution I've started. We have to find four-letter words. So what we do, students, we make four boxes which represent four-letter words. You please keep remember these are four letters and already four-letter words you have to form. It may possible that in a word definitely letters may be four letters, and you might have told that two-letter word you have to form or three-letter word you have to form, but this time we are told to four-letter word without repetition. So how to start this? You can start with taking places. Suppose it is first place, second place, third place, fourth place. No matter if you're taking this is first place, this is second place, this is third place, this is fourth. No matter at all. So okay, suppose we start just by filling the place from the letter. So what comes in mind? That first place, this place can be filled from four different letters by how many ways? Four ways. Meaning in this place capital R can come, O can come, S can come, E can come. How many way? Four way. So I would say that place 1 can be filled from four letters by four ways. Suppose you have put R. Suppose. So how many now remaining? O, S, E. So what about the second place? Second place can be filled from O, S, E, three letter by three ways. So R cannot come now because repetition is not allowed. Now place 2 can be filled from rest three letters by three ways. Similarly, you can understand that this and this definitely can be filled by two and one way, because now this box was filled from four ways, this from three ways, and now this definitely two will be remaining. Suppose O has come here, so S and E can come here by. This box can be filled from the rest two letters by two ways, and last will be by one ways. So similarly, place 3 and 4 can be filled from the rest letters by two and one ways respectively. So total ways or total words you can say with or without meaning 4, 3, 2, 1. This is from 4 way, 3 way, 2 and 1 way. So your answer is 4 is a 12, 2 is a 24. We can say that four letter words can be formed from for the four letter of the word rose by 24 ways. That's very simple meaning. This is called multiplication method. This is also called fundamental principle of counting. Okay, so hope you have got. Now I'll tell you some more examples so that you can understand it very well. Look at question Question number 2. A very similar question. Question example number 2 says, given 4 flags of different colors, how many different signals can be generated if the signal requires the use of 2 flags, one below the other? Okay, number of flags. Number of flags we have 4, and we have to make signals by using 2 flags. 2 flags, one below the other. That's simple. This is condition. So okay, we write like that. Suppose 2 flags, these are 2 flags, and we have to make the signals of the 2 by using 2 flags. And how many number of flags? 4 flags. So what I would say, this is my first place and this is my second place. What do you think? That at the first place, how many flags can be put? Definitely 4 flags. Definitely we have 4 flags. So here all 4 flags can come by 4 ways, because these 4 are different flags, different color flags. So okay, what I write? Place 1 can be filled from given 4 flags by 4 ways, and rest 3 flags can be placed. Now I have changed the language. Can be placed at second place by how many? Definitely, if among the 4 flags, 1 will be kept here, 3 will be remaining, so 3 can be placed in the second place by 3 ways. I have changed the language in the latter sentence, so it's just in practice. That you please don't think that whatever I have written, it is only the the way of writing. So please you learn from your side that the meaning is very good. Meaning should be very good. Okay, so this is now the whole way, total signals, you can say, by using 2. This is a by 4 way and this is a 3 way. So your answer is a 12. So I would say that number of signals are 12. So very simple it was. Okay, now let me take one more question from the book. Question says, question number 3rd. Again, very simple question it is. How many, I'm not telling you just by writing, I just want to read this. How many 2-digit even number can be generated? Okay, I tell you, it's the even number coming, that's why. How many 2-digit even number can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? If digits cannot be repeated, okay. Given digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have to form 2-digit even numbers. What do you think? Okay, it's very simple. 2-digit even number. This is my ones place and this is my tens place. So one should very assured about all. That what do you think about the even number? One should know it that the even number is where the 2 or 4 may come in unit place. So this particular first place is very depend on the condition when it is a even number. It's a restricted condition. So this particular first place or ones place can be filled just from the 2 or 4 by 2 ways. Here 2 can come or 4 can come. So how many ways it is? Only 2 ways. So I would say that since numbers are even, place 1 can be filled from 2 or 4 by 2 ways. Very important. Here 2 may come or 4 may come. 1 cannot come here, 3 cannot come here, 5 cannot come here. When they'll come, it will be odd number. But what we are told to create only even number, so that 2 can come here or 4 can come here. So this is by 2 ways. Okay, suppose 2 has put here. Now we have a 2 will not be there. So 1, 3, 4 also can come here. You please don't think that 4 cannot come here. 4 also can come here. So 1 can come here, 3 can come here, 4 can come here, 5 can come here. How many? This is definitely 4. So what I'll say that in question it is digits can be repeated. What I taught you that digits cannot be repeated. Both question may be there, but I'm reading the question. If digits can be repeated, okay, no matter at all, digits can be repeated. I'll say we have to form all digits even number when repetition is allowed. Okay, no matter at all. So same I'll do. You don't afraid. This is restricted place which can be filled by two ways. When digits can be repeated, now one can come here, two also can come here because digits is that can be repeated. It is given in the book. It is given in the question. When the repetition is not allowed, then 2 cannot come here. So this place that time will be filled by 1, 2, 3, 4 ways. But when repetition is allowed, 2 also can come here. So 1 can come here, 2 can come here, 3 can come here, 4 can come here, 5 can. How many ways? 5 ways. So I'll say since repetition is allowed, therefore place 2 or you can say tens place can be filled from all 5 digits by 5 ways. Definitely this place can be filled from 2 ways and this place can be filled by 5 ways. So total numbers you can say, or you can say total ways will be 2 into 5 meaning 10. When the repetition will not be allowed, this place can be filled by 4 way and that time answer will be 2 into 4 equal to 8. So okay, it's on you only. What the question will be given, you have to do the question by saying. Okay, this was a question from my side. Let me take some more question from the book. This is example number 3rd it was. Now I'm telling example number 4. Look at example 4. Very important it is. Very important it is. Question says, find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least two flags in order, one below the other, on the vertical stuff. If 5 different flags we are having, number of different flags, different color flag 5, and we have to make signals of flags taking at least 2. It's very important word that at least. So it means that few condition will follow. 2 flags are there. At least 2 flags, meaning in first case when 2 flags are there, how many signals can be generated? When at least meaning definitely 2 is the least. So at least meaning at least 2, more than 2 also. Like if 3 flags are using, how many signals can be generated? When 4 flags are there, how many difference can be generated? And when all 5 flags are there, how many signals can be generated? When you have when you will find all these ways, ultimately you have to add all, because this is the number of ways by taking 2 flags. This is the number of ways of the arrangement of the flags or number of signals by taking 3 flags. This is for 4 flags and this is for 5 flags. And question says at least 2 flags. Definitely all condition will come. Ultimately you have to add all the ways and have to give the answer. So it's a long one. Don't afraid. First of all I'll take this one. So how I'll first look at here. when when two flags number when signals are formed by taking two flags. So what you'll write? Okay, no matter at all. This is first place and second place. And how many flags we have? 5. So this place can be filled from 5 ways. 5 flags. And after using here, different word is coming here. So meaning repetition is not allowed. Same color will not be used. Okay, so this particular place can be filled from the 5 flags by 5 ways, and rest 4 can be filled here by the 4 ways. So I'll write here, place 1 can be filled from 5 flags by 5 ways, and second place can be filled from the rest flags by 4 ways. So number of signals in this case will be 20. But this is not answer, at least what is here now. Now I'll take what? So this is 20 has come. Now I'll find all the way when 3 flags are using. Okay. Second case, when signals are formed by taking 3 flags. 3 flags. Okay. The condition will be like that, 1, 2 and 3. And then I'll write first place can be filled from 5 flags by 5 ways. This will be by 4 ways and this will be by 3 ways. It's very genuine and simple. Similarly, place 2 and 3 can be filled, in short way I'll write, by 4 and 3 ways respectively. So in this case, total ways of the arrangement will be 5, 4 and 3. So 5 for the 20 is a 60 is coming. Now further work I don't want to repeat, but I will only write what kind of writing I'll use. Third, when signals are formed by taking 4 flags, required ways will be, please don't do again and again because of similar things is going to happen. So this time will be 4 flags, 5, 4, 3 and 2. So it's a 120 ways. And when the fourth one I'll use, when signals are formed by taking 5 flags, required ways will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, meaning 120. So one can understand that total signals are by taking at least 2 flags. Definitely when I use 2 flags, number of signals were 20. I use 3 flags, number of signals was 60. And this is 120 and so 120. So your answer is 120, 120, 240. This is a 320. So this is number of signals by using at least 2 flags. So this is these are all the examples from my side. Now you can start the exercise 7.1, and if you have any doubt, you are welcome to discuss the question on my WhatsApp number. I'll tell you the answer. Thank you.